Okay, let's talk about LaserBond. LaserBond, Thermark, Surmark, all basically the same thing. Surmark and Thermark are owned by the same company. Surmark and Thermark will both charge you about $90 for a can. Normally a can will last you about halfway and it'll clog up. LaserBond will charge you about half that and the whole can is usable, plus it adheres better, so it's just a better product overall. And what we're talking about is on a CO2 laser, if I try to do uncoated stainless steel, for example, I treat this, spray it on there, let it dry, laser it, wherever the solution hits, a chemical reaction stains the metal at that color. That's mostly black, but I've heard of red and green. And then you wipe it off with water. That's it. Basically, there's a cheat sheet on this section on how to the powered speeds, but you hit it too hard, you'll knock the solution right off the metal. So you have to dial it in like you do any other material. If you get heavily into doing a lot of stainless steel, then you'll graduate to a fiber laser down the line. And there is LaserBond for fibers too. So in case you're looking for a relatively respective mark. But the trick is to dial it in so you experiment. And honestly, each lot will be different. All right, thanks.